Prime Minister Narendra Modi today distributed over 51,000 appointment letters to newly inducted recruits through video conferencing. This was the 8th edition of the Rozgar Mela, which was held in 45 different places across the country. Through this Rozgar Mela, the Ministry of Home Affairs recruited personnel in various Central Armed Police Forces, Narcotic Control Bureau as well as Delhi Police. Addressing on this occasion, the Prime Minister called the new appointees as Amrit Rakshak, saying that they will not only serve the country but will also protect the country and the countrymen.
इस बार रोजगार मेला का ये आयोजन एक ऐसे माहौल में हो रहा है जब देश गर्व और आत्मविश्वास से भरा हुआ है। गर्व से भरे इस क्षण और ऐसे समय में आप अपने जीवन की सबसे महत्वपूर्ण यात्रा